What?
Let's go. Get your camera. We're about to go up. I'm about to reveal to my cousins. They're supposed to be upstairs on McDonald's, so here we go. Camille over there. Huh? Yan. Who's that? Who's that? What's up? What's up, you guys?
Oh my
Oh.
Wait lang. We have to relax.
We have to relax.
Seryoso, akala ko naman di tuloy. Grabe.
Well, how do you feel?
Oh my God!
Are you guys shocked? Are you guys shocked? You're
Wait!
shocked?
Vinso!
Oh
My God, Vinso! Oh my God!
Hi! Here, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Here. Oh, it's so big. Hi. Where's Leo?
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Grabe.
Y'all just got mine.
Vinso, di ko pa yan!
Me? No, it's not me. Picture. Well, everybody.
Hey, hi. How are you?
There he is. How you been?
Doing fine.
You weren't over at Dream House when I came over there.
Yeah.
The other day. Or the other day. Huh?
Really here talaga.
No, it's not me.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Oh my God!
Are we going clubbing or what? They're so shocked. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ay, si Daphne! Ay! Grabe kayo Nice surprise.
You guys like that? Yeah, I was supposed to hide in a Balakbayan box and just pop out.
I want to buy everything here. What? Grabe, sounds so different to Vinson.
Wait, I got taller than you.
You're finally taller than me.
Oh man. Where's Leo?
I know.
We gotta look for Leo now.
Yeah, downstairs.
How old are you?
22.
We're drinking tonight.
Wow.
Let's see if you can keep up with me. Ikaw rin, Ate Maxine.
Grabe, Vinson, yung ako sa Tagalog na.
Huh?
Yung ako sa Tagalog na.
Siyempre, marunong pa ako, no?
Marunong pa siya.
I just have a hard time. Like at Green Hills, the girls were like yelling out my name. Picture. Ate Camille.
Facebook mo agad, Sarah. Kasi hindi kami nagpe-Facebook kasi makikita nyo eh.
Nag-post din sabi ko, delete your post.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Straight from the US of A. Surprise, surprise. Success? Success, I think so. I think so.